This video walks you through onboarding your dataset to Cohort Discovery as a data custodian. Once logged in, navigate to Cohort Discovery and click on your Management tab. This is labelled with your organisation's name. Under the Hosts sub-tab, click plus Host. Give it a name. This represents the authentication for your Bunny instance. Cohort Discovery will automatically generate a client ID and client secret. Next, go to the Collections tab and click Plus Collection. Fill in your dataset details and associate it with the host you just created. Now configure your Bunny instance with the client ID, client secret, collection ID, and the correct environment URL. Head back to the Collections tab to confirm your dataset is listed and Bunny is authenticating successfully. Your collection will be visible in draft mode. When onboarding a new collection and carrying out validation testing, you can search against your draft collection by using the collections filters to select it. Draft collections are only visible to the managers of your team and selected HDR UK admins, providing a fully ring-fenced testing environment. When your draft collection is ready, just click on Request to make active to flag it for review and activation to the HDR UK team. You're all set. Your collection is now live on Cohort Discovery.